Hi, this is your demo for the dashboard that was created. So it contains 3 different web maps and some associated elements underneath each map. So on the left, there is the Education Exploration web map, and below it we have the map legend that lets you know what all the graphics mean. The center map are the geotagged tweets on the web map, and below it there is a list view of all the tweets that were filtered through the search keywords and the ones that are geotagged. And so you see that content in the list as well as the keyword that pulled that from all of the tweets for the state of Texas. There's also a pie chart to show you what keywords were searched and had results, and this will change as new data comes in. There are 9 different search terms in the search parameter points. So then the last web map is showing all the litter reports from the Survey 123 app, and it's been configured to show the red as the hazards, and the yellow are all the rest of the points that are not immediate hazards to the drivers. So below the web map, we have a chart that shows you the different categories that you saw in the Survey 123 application. Some of them don't have labels, but you can hover over to see what the category is as well as the count. We also have an indicator, lets you know the total reports that have been logged into the Survey 123 application for the entire state. And then we also have another chart just to show the difference between all the litter reports that are hazardous to drivers or not. The dashboard has been configured so that one view in one map, if it changes, it also changes the views in the other maps. So because the education one has a bookmark, I'm going to go ahead and just zoom to Tarrant County. And as you can see, the other web maps changed as well. So within some of these elements, you can also change the view by selecting something, and in the case of the different types of litter reported, selecting or unselecting will show you on the map the specific points for that category. Some of the web maps still have their pop-ups enabled, so you can click and have access to more information. In this case, it's about the counties, and then you also have some survey points shown in this pop-up as well on the litter reporting map. And lastly, to note, if you tap in the corner, you'll see that you can open the elements into full screen and close them back down. So it's a nice feature. So all the different groups that can be a part of this collaboration can see areas that are of interest to the other groups and work together to focus on some of the areas where there is overlap.